Hi, I'm Ariana. Welcome to my channel, Miss Vinyasa. Today we'll begin standing. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands in prayer at heart center. Inhale, press the palms up and swan dive the heart forward into forward fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, plank, lower to the mat. Inhale, cobra, lift head and heart. Exhale, downward facing dog and pedal the heels. Activating Ujjayi breath, breathing in and out the nose. Create a steady rhythm. Inhale, roll the spine forward into plank. Exhale, down dog, send the hips up and back. Inhale, right leg lifts, bend the knee, open the hip for wild thing. Come back to the mat, downward dog. Inhale, left leg lifts, bend the knee, open the hips, step it behind for wild thing, lift the heart. Come back to the mat, downward dog. Inhale, shift forward to plank, exhale, lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child's pose, then roll the spine up, Virasana, press fingertips back into the mat. Bring the hands forward, tuck the toes, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step the right foot forward for crescent. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, interlace hands behind the back, shoulders stretch. Release the hands, arms overhead. We'll take a twist to the right, left palm forward, right palm back. Inhale, come back to crescent. Exhale, bring the hands down, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step the foot forward for crescent pose. Inhale, reach the arms up. Interlace hands behind the back, shoulders stretch. Inhale, arms overhead, crescent twist, exhale. Right palm forward, left palm back. Inhale, face forward for crescent. Exhale, bring the hands down, step back, downward dog. Inhale, roll the spine forward to plank. Exhale, lower to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, sit hips to heels. Inhale, camel pose variation, lifting the right arm. Exhale, sweep it down and around. Inhale, camel pose, lifting the left arm. Sweep it down and around. Come back to tabletop. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step the foot forward. Inhale, windmill the arms open, warrior two. Flip the front palm, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Nice vertical line, hand to foot. Keep rolling the heart open. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, windmill the hands down, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step the foot forward. Inhale, windmill the arms open, warrior two. Flip the front palm, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Front arm comes down to the front thigh, back arm alongside the ear. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, windmill the hands down, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg lifts, falling star. Take the left foot to the right side of the mat, arms in a vertical line. Bring the right hand back down, step back, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts, falling star. Take the right foot to the left side of the mat, arms in a vertical line. Bring the left hand back down to the mat, step back, down dog. Inhale, step forward, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, hands in prayer at heart center. Come back to your breath, come back to your intention. Inhale, reach the arms up for upward salute. Exhale, fold forward, hug the midline as you lower. Inhale, reach the arms up, chair pose, Utkatasana. Bring the arms in front of you, shoulder height, then sweep them back behind you, balancing chair, lift the heels. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, lower heels, hands in prayer. Inhale, chair pose, sit low, reach arms overhead. Sweep the arms back, balancing chair, lift the heels, gazes slightly forward and down. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, reach arms overhead. Exhale, hands in prayer. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, fold forward. Interlace hands behind the back, shoulders stretch. Release the hands back to the mat. Hop or step back, plank. Exhale, lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, sit hips to heels. Roll the spine up, hero's pose, virasana, lift the heart. Come back to tabletop, exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step it forward. We'll take a quarter turn to the right, hip sways, bending one knee and then the other. For more strength building, bring hands behind the back or in prayer. Come to a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, waterfall your spine over your strong legs. Working on tripod headstand foundation, bring hands in line with feet, crown down to the mat. Hook the tailbone, activate deep core muscles, and maybe your feet begin to hover off the mat. Inhale, half lift again. Turn the heels in, toes out, bend the knees. Exhale, dip one shoulder, then the other. Come back to a wide-legged forward fold. Then bend the knees, goddess pose. Bring arms overhead, hands in prayer. Inhale, star pose, straighten the legs, arms out wide, lower them down by your side. Inhale, arms back up, bend the knees, goddess pose, hands in prayer. Inhale, star pose, arms out wide. Inhale, goddess pose, bend the knees, bring hands in prayer, heart center. Inhale, star pose to triangle pose. Turn the back foot parallel to the back edge of the mat, front toes point forward. Reach the front arm forward and hinge over the front hip, arms in a vertical line, Utthita Trikonasana. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, windmill the hands down, step back, plank, moving through Vinyasa. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can always pass through tabletop or child's pose. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step the foot forward, hands inside the front foot. Take a quarter turn to the left, Hip sways or Skandasana side lunge. Hands can come into prayer or lotus mudra. Taking it over to the other side. Come back to center, maybe rock side to side for hip sways. Seeing what feels best in your body. Then we'll bend the knees, goddess pose, hands in prayer. Inhale, star pose, straighten the legs, arms out wide. Inhale, goddess pose, bend the knees, bring hands back into prayer at heart center. Bring hands behind the knees, press knees into hands, hands into knees. Straighten the legs, triangle pose. Back foot parallel to the back edge of the mat, front toes point forward, arms in a vertical line, and breathe. Inhale, reverse warrior, bend the front knee. Exhale, windmill the hands down, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward, top of the mat. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stand tall, upward salute. Exhale, hands in prayer at heart center. Namaste.